Welcome to my channel, and thank you for choosing my video to watch. This video is actually part of a longer video that I made about investing in stock market for the beginners under the title Complete Guide on How to Buy and Sell Stocks in Canada Bourse with Questrade. I will also put the link of that longer video in the descriptions below this video. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to check that as well. Also, please make sure to comment and tell me your questions if there is any. I will answer as much as I can, and give me any sort of criticism, positive, negative, and tell me what you think about it. So thank you once again, and without killing time more than this, let's just jump right into the video and see what I've prepared for you. If you have a TFSA account in another broker or another bank, Questrade has made it so easy for you to transfer that account into Questrade. So in this section, we're going to see how you can transfer your account from another broker into Questrade. So after you create your account in Questrade, all you have to do is to go under funding, and then you see the option that says transfer account to Questrade. And remember, as I said, Questrade will cover the fees up to $150. For CIBC, I know that they cover only $130. So this is a very good thing. This is a very, very nice feature from Questrade. So after you go to transfer account to Questrade, you can click on Start Request. After that, you're going to select the account that you have in Questrade, okay? The account that you would like your transfer to come to it, okay? Then you're going to click on Next. So then you're going to click from which institution you would like to transfer, okay? Whether it's a bank or it's a broker, okay? Then you're going to put the account number from the other broker or institution. So you remember, it's in this place, in this section, you're not going to put your account number in Questrade. You're going to put the account number from the other broker or bank, okay? Then after that, you're going to click on Next. Okay. In this section, this is very important. These three options, all in cash, means Questrade will liquidate everything in that account, in the other broker account, and bring them all as cash to your Questrade account, okay? Sorry. The second option will transfer everything as is. For example, let's say you have, 100 shares of Apple, you have 500 shares of an ETF, you have bonds, whatever that exists in your other account, Questrade will transfer them as they are. So it doesn't do anything, like it doesn't do any sort of liquidation. And the last option will let you choose which stocks you want to transfer or how, okay? So for the sake of this video, we're going to just choose first all in cash, so you see what the options are. No worries, when you click on Next, it doesn't do anything. It just shows you the preview, okay? So you can here determine how much cash, how much cash how much Questrade can cash out for you, can liquidate for you. And then after determining, so this is the estimated values, no worries, Questrade will determine itself. So this is just the estimate, okay? So for example, imagine you have, the stocks of Apple, and you know that they're worth $2,000. So you would put $2,000, but when Questrade sells, it might be even more. So no worries of that sort, it's just an estimate. And you also have to mention whether it is a Canadian dollar or US dollar, CAD or USD, okay? And then you're going to click on Next. So that's what it shows you. It's just a preview, as I said. So it's not gonna do anything before you click on Confirm, okay? So it shows you the banking detail. it shows you the type, all in cash. It shows you how much, and it tells you the processing time, which takes 20 business days. Okay, so we're gonna just go back to the previous section and see if we choose all in kind, what's gonna happen. We're gonna see if we choose partial transfer, what's gonna happen. So in partial transfer, you can click on add asset. If you choose partial transfer, you can determine the type of securities to be transferred. We're gonna click on add asset. Things that you can transfer: cash, stock, mutual fund, options, and others. But remember that if you have ETFs in your other broker or your other account, you need to choose stock here, because Questrade does not give you an option for ETF. If you choose a stock, then it considers both for stock and ETF. Okay, so we choose cash, for example, just for the sake of this video, and then we put the amount and of course the type of the currency and click on save. And in the next section, it will ask you, like if you choose a stock, so okay, after you click on OK, it's going to give you the preview like before, and then if you confirm, everything will be done. So for the sake of this video, I just wanted to see what it will be doing if you choose a stock. If you choose a stock, what it asks you is, so it asks you how you want to transfer. If you choose in cash, it will liquidate all of your stocks or ETFs into cash and then transfer them. Or if you choose all in kind, as I said, it's gonna do as is. So whatever stocks you have, it will bring them here. And the symbol, you have to mention the ticker symbol. It's very important that you put it the right way, okay? And the description, you can put the description as you want, so it's not that important. But in ticker, it should be the exact ticker symbol, okay? Then in terms of quantity, for example, how many of the stocks you want to transfer. Let's say you have 100 stocks of Apple or Enbridge or whatever, and you want to transfer just 50. So here's here's the numbers that you can determine, okay? And also the currency, which is CAD, and then you're gonna click save, okay? After you click save, you can click, so in the next page, you can click on whatever stage you're in. It will ask you for your permission. So you can click on continue before submitting your request, okay? Because this sort of partial transfer requires you to give them signatures, okay? That's why. Sorry, after reading the form and see that everything is correct, you can then click on start. Okay. Now after doing so, whatever you choose, whether you choose all in kind, all in cash or partial transfer, you can see, you can go back to funding, and then you can go to request history to see your requests. Okay. So after you do this, what you need to do in the next section is you need to wait 30 days or a month for your statement. Okay, so you don't need to do anything in your bank's website, or you don't need to call them anything. So the Questrade will do everything for you, but all you have to do is to wait for your next statement from your other broker or bank. And after the statement is issued to you, you're gonna just go here and upload it to get that rebate, okay? And the process is very simple. You go to account management and then upload documents. Then you're gonna go to choose first your account in Questrade, the one that you want the rebate to be put on, okay? Then afterwards, you're gonna go to document type and choose rebate, okay? And after that, you're gonna click on browse and upload the statement from the other bank, okay? And then all you have to do is, after you click on browse and upload the document, all you have to do, you can choose a name for your file that you have, for your document that you have chosen, but it's up to you. You can give it a nickname, okay? And then if you click in upload, everything will be done, and you have to wait for, I think, I don't know, couple of business days. You have to wait, and then you'll be able to see it under your accounts, okay? The rebate will be posted on under your account. Okay, so that's it for this section. In the next section, we're gonna see some of the stocks that are under my watch list. Of course, those are just for example, because my watch list is far more than that. I have just chosen 5 stocks for you to see, and the ticker symbols and how they are, and also the sources for this video, okay?